Hello, health enthusiasts. I'm glad you're interested in learning how to repel flu, cough and cold in winters using garlic and honey. These are two natural ingredients that have many health benefits and can help you stay healthy and warm. In this video, I will show you how to make a simple and effective remedy with garlic and honey, and also share some tips on how to use it. Garlic and honey are both rich in antioxidants, which are substances that protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause inflammation, aging, and chronic diseases. Antioxidants can neutralize free radicals and prevent them from harming your body. Garlic also contains allicin, a compound that has antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. Allicin can help fight off infections caused by viruses or bacteria, such as the flu, cough, or cold. Allicin can also boost your immune system, which is your body's defense against diseases. Honey also has antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. Honey can help soothe your throat and nasal passages when you have a cold or flu. Honey can also help heal wounds and burns by promoting tissue regeneration. When you combine garlic and honey, you get a powerful mixture that can enhance their benefits even more. Garlic and honey can work together to kill harmful microbes, reduce inflammation, support your immune system, and improve your overall health. To make this remedy, you will need 4 cloves of fresh garlic, 1/4 cup of raw honey, a small bowl. Here are the steps to follow. 1. Peel the garlic cloves and crush them with a fork or a knife. 2. Add the crushed garlic to the bowl. 3. Add the honey and mix well. 4. Store the mixture in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to a week. 5. Take 1 teaspoon of the mixture twice a day before meals or as needed. You can also add some lemon juice or ginger to the mixture for extra flavor and benefits. Some tips on how to use this remedy are: you can take it on an empty stomach in the morning or before going to bed. You can also add some honey to warm water or tea for a soothing drink. You can also apply some of the mixture directly to your throat or chest if you have a sore throat or cough. You should not take more than 4 teaspoons of the mixture per day, as it may cause side effects such as stomach upset or allergic reactions. You should consult your doctor before taking this remedy if you have any medical conditions or are taking any medications. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching and stay healthy.